modern AI agents that can actually manipulate Office documents using standard Python libraries is a total nightmare. You give a language model a prompt to build a simple slide deck. Instead of a finished presentation, it gets caught in a loop of broken package dependencies and spits out corrupted XML structures that won't even open in PowerPoint. This failure happens because we are forcing automated agents to use legacy software libraries that were explicitly designed for humans clicking through graphical menus. This tool-to-task mismatch creates a hard ceiling. Machine-level automation in Office workflows is impossible when the software expects a human in the loop. To fix this, we have to move away from Python wrappers. The architecture has to be built for the agent, not the operator. OfficeCLI solves this by shipping as a single, self-contained, zero-dependency binary. It allows an AI to read, edit, and render Word, Excel, and PowerPoint documents directly, without ever requiring a Microsoft Office installation on the machine. By removing the need for local desktop software, AI agents are untethered. They can run on headless servers or inside isolated containerized environments. Because this is an AI-native tool, it integrates into a workflow via a one-line auto-installation skill. You paste that single command into coding assistants, like Claude Code or Cursor, and the agent instantly learns how to operate the entire suite. This is a direct contrast to traditional methods that require configuring virtual environments and troubleshooting manual pip installs for hours. Eliminating that setup friction is the mandatory first step for scaling autonomous AI teams. Once installed, the agent uses a command line interface that replaces complex, multi-line Python scripts with single direct instructions. It targets elements using predictable syntax, pinpointing the exact path. Manipulating that element returns deterministic JSON responses rather than messy logs. This structured data provides exact coordinates and styling, allowing the AI to perfectly understand the document. Providing this machine-readable syntax eliminates the hallucination loop that usually derails document generation. Even with clear data, there is one final hurdle. When reading the raw code of a file, an AI agent is essentially blind. It can't tell if a paragraph of text is overflowing a text box or if two shapes are overlapping on a slide. The solution is a built-in high-fidelity HTML rendering engine. This is what finally gives the model eyes. By natively converting documents into HTML or PNGs, OfficeCLI completes a critical loop: render, look, fix. This visual feedback transitions AI models from blind guessers into autonomous, layout-aware designers. This architecture changes the dynamic. AI moves from a frustrated assistant guessing at broken code to an entity capable of navigating complex document structures. Because the agent can now verify its own output through the rendering engine, it can build the reports, populate the data dashboards, and generate presentation decks without a human needing to open the file to check for positioning errors. This completely shifts the heavy burden of formatting and data synchronization from the user to the agent's programmatic logic. So, would you trust an AI to automatically generate your business reports? Let me know in the comments. Check the GitHub repository linked in the description to try OfficeCLI yourself, and subscribe for more AI tools.